In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes on Shopify for 2025. It's an essential aspect of managing your e-commerce store, ensuring compliance with regional laws, and setting the right expectations for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access your Shopify store's admin dashboard. This is your control center where you can configure various settings. Start by logging into your Shopify account and clicking on My Store on the home page. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your store management begins. Next, once you're in the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you should see a button labeled Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. This section is crucial as it houses all the major controls for how your store operates, from payments to policies, and yes, taxes. After clicking Settings, you will see a list of options. We want to focus on taxes and duties. Select this to open the tax settings page. Here, Shopify provides a comprehensive suite of tools to manage your store's tax duties. Inside the Taxes and Duties section, find and click on Tax Services. This area helps you manage how taxes are applied to your products and services. It's important to make these distinctions clear for the regions where you are selling your products, so customers know exactly what they're being charged. Following that, you'll want to pay attention to the tax regions. Clicking this will allow you to specify which regions you are collecting taxes for. Ensure you set this up correctly to comply with local regulations and avoid any future surprises with your sales ledger. Next, under the same Taxes and Duties category, identify and click on Duties and Importen Taxmen aus. This ensures you're prepared for any taxes that might be levied on goods that cross international borders. If you're participating in global trade, these settings are particularly crucial. Moving along, click on Customs Information. By filling in these details, you streamline the customs process, which could potentially expedite shipping and enhance the customer's delivery experience. Then, make your way to Global Settings. Here, you adjust overarching policies that affect every transaction, irrespective of region. This is a great way to ensure uniformity in how your store operates globally. Finally, take a moment to visit the Digital Goods VAT tax option. This is specifically important if you're not selling digital products. VAT laws frequently change, and it's essential to ensure your digital offerings are compliant with current regulations. By following these steps, you can ensure your Shopify store is set up correctly for taxes in 2020. Always double-check your entries and consult a tax professional if you have specific concerns related to your business transactions. This way, you will maintain compliance and transparency, keeping your business and customers on the right track. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.